Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict if this potting mix is worth it. Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix Overview. Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix contains coconut coir, which makes the soil easy to water. It helps retain moisture in the soil while allowing for proper water drainage. The potting mix does not contain compost or bark, making it less prone to developing fungus gnats. Miracle-Gro is used for all indoor plants, including foliage, tropical, flowering, and climbing plants. The package also has simple repotting instructions for a plant owner to follow. The potting mix is relatively easy to use and is designed to allow your plants to thrive. What we liked: it can be used on a variety of indoor plants. The potting mix allows for good water retention. It's easy to use. What we didn't like: it poses a risk of fungus growth. Features: the potting mix is airy. The airy and lightweight texture of Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix allows plant owners to use a moderate amount while placing the plant in a pot. This is not only cost-effective, but also improves the air circulation of the roots, which positively impacts the plant's overall health. It also allows proper aeration of the plant's roots to avoid root rot. The potting mix promotes healthy plant growth. The Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix can encourage the growth of different types of plants, such as monstera, climbing plants, succulents, and even flowering plants. Its blended ingredients, including coconut coir, peat moss, perlite, and fertilizer, allow these plants to produce healthy leaves and strong stems, contributing to their healthy growth. It has value for money. The potting mix is cost-effective, as only a small amount is needed. Users only need to fill 1/3 of the pot with the mix, position the plant, and then add more soil to cover the roots. This makes the product cost-effective as you can use it for multiple repotting sessions. Who is the Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix best suited for? The Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix is best suited for individuals looking to grow healthy indoor container plants. Verdict: should you get the Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix? In some cases, the Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix may encourage the growth of white mold on plants. However, its versatility in indoor plant usage and its ability to promote healthy plant growth give it a competitive edge over other potting mixes. Thus, you should buy the Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix to help you grow your plants. Thanks for watching.